Ready to discover the hidden cause of your neuropathy? Watch now to find out. You are experiencing something called neuropathic nerve erosion. This means that the nerves in your feet are slowly deteriorating, leading to burning pain, tingling, and numbness. The worst part, this condition gets worse day by day. The good news is that there's hope. Tired of inferior solutions? Renowned leading expert on neuropathy, Dr. Jeremy Campbell, has just developed the first and only massager that addresses the root cause of neuropathic nerve erosion. This massager uses breakthrough neuromuscular electrical stimulation technology. This technology sends a unique combination of targeted impulses. These special impulses trigger the right nerves in your feet and promote the regeneration of damaged nerve cells. This means that within a few days, the nerves in your feet can repair and heal, eliminating the pain, tingling, and numbness associated with neuropathy, allowing you to get back to the things you love again without constant foot pain and swelling, trapping you in your own body. Click the Shop Now button below now